Hello, I hope you enjoyed this what I wore during my trip to Italy / summer look, but wow, this spring. This is just a quick outfit video I did. This is just a quick video of some outfits I wore. Is from Dorothy Perkins and the trainers are Michael Kors. I think this is just a very nice dress. It was really warm on the day I wore this, so this was a nice dress for walking round. I think dresses are a really good thing to wear in the summer because they keep you nice and cool. Even maxi dresses like the one I wore before, that kept me nice and cool because they're so floaty. I really love this colour. It looks really nice on pale or tan skin. So yeah, this is just a very nice summer dress, and again you can dress this up or down. So yeah, this the next maxi dress is from Next. They are from TK Maxx. Again, this is another maxi dress. It's kept me nice and cool. It's like a halter style one, which is a bit early 2000s, which I really like. So yeah, I just think this is a really nice and cool dress. This fourth outfit I wore for travelling. These type of t-shirts, like bodycon dresses, are so good for travelling because they're really comfy. You would think they're not, and again you can dress them up or down. I wore some white, I think they are, yeah, my white Ted Baker sneakers. So sneakers, trainers, who do I think I am? Sneakers, I sound like an influencer from LA. Obviously anyway, I'm getting distracted. Again, my white Ted Baker trainers. The top is from, I think the top and skirt are both from New Look, I want to say. I could be wrong, I've had these for a while. Again, a denim skirt is very good for travelling. I wore this when we travelled. This next dress is from H&M. It has a slit in the side. I wore this with some wedges from Topshop. I don't know, I've had them for ages. I mean, these wedges, they're not my favourite. I think wedges, I don't know if they're like really in fashion now, but they're so good to wear because this dress I did need heels with it because it is a really long maxi dress. I'm not that tall. But yeah, I just think wedges are so easy to walk in, especially when it's warm and your feet are all like aching from walking around all day. Especially Italy has a lot of like cobbled streets, so probably wedges are easy to walk in if you're not used to it. Like obviously it's a lot of the architecture is older, so some of the streets are cobbled, which is really, well, we had cobbled streets in England, but anyway, they're so much better in Italy. This next dress is on F&F. I absolutely love this dress. This is my go-to summer dress.